my last 2-minute conviction for 2024 is that your courage can't rely on clarity. Of course, I want clarity. I love knowing everything about my decisions and my choices and my strategies. I want to know why I'm doing it, who I'm doing it for, how it's going to get done, how are we going to measure it. Like, clarity for me is the scaffolding on which I can hang all my energy and actions and behaviors. But the truth is, courage can't rely on clarity because we don't always get it. Courage, in fact, almost has to proceed despite the lack of clarity, despite having all the answers to those nagging questions that plague us in our leadership. You know, at this time of the year, as we're drawing to a close, we're busy, we're tired. Christmas is becoming the theme of our thoughts and our feelings, and it's a beautiful time of the year. But we often get fooled into thinking that as the new year rolls in, we will be new leaders. But it's not true. We're going to be the same as we've always been unless we make new decisions. And decisions confront us with choices. And if we don't have clarity on all of the implications and all of the consequences of these choices, then sometimes we're paralyzed in our decisions, which means the new year holds no new hope, no new promise. We're going to be the same as we've always been. And so my gift to you this year, and I hope the gift that you start thinking about, that you give to those around you, your family, your friends, your colleagues, the people on your team, those whom you love, is a gift of courage. A gift of, even despite not having all the answers, we can encourage people to take bold new steps in the direction of hope and life and their future opportunities. You know, in the nativity story, which is about the birth of Jesus, who becomes the savior of the world, we hear of the 3 wise men, and they follow a bright light in the sky to a place they don't know, they probably haven't been, they don't know what they're going to find. The journey is arduous. There's a lot of unknowns, a lot of questions, but they are compelled, they are determined, they show courage despite not having certainty and clarity. And I think it's a great example to us of this very thing I'm talking about. So as we close out the year, my 2-minute conviction, the last one for this period, is that your courage does not rely on clarity. It doesn't rely on certainty. Be people of courage as you follow the bright lights in your skies and trust that God will direct your steps. He will accompany you on your journey, and that you might find him in your searching. Thank you for your followership this year. It's been great to work with you, and I hope that we reconnect in 2025 with some new leadership convictions.